Hi, you guys. If you want to know how I got this deep side part quick weave, continue to watch the video. Starting off this style, I already pre-braided my hair. I'm using Organique 20-inch and 18-inch of the straight hair. It's synthetic hair. I guess the clip got cut out where I used the bonding protective shield for my hair for the quick weave to glue it down. But here I am blow drying and cutting off the cap. Make sure you don't cut your hair in this process because you'll be very sad if you do. I'm just cutting, and I continue to cut until my leave out is left out and some of my perimeter. Here I go showing you guys the hair again, and then I realized I couldn't see, so I, have to add on my glasses because I can't see. So I'm showing you the 20-inch straight Organique hair again. Let's follow, cutting off the labels, showing you the length of it. Pulling it apart. Yeah, I'm really feeling this hair right now before I even install it. It's very soft and silky. So I'm measuring right here at this point from ear to ear in the back. Then I'm adding glue to the weft of the track that I measured from ear to ear. Spread with some got-to-be glue spray to help seal it when you place the tracks down, and I'm showing you how I'm placing it in the back, going from ear to ear, and I'm going to continue that all the way up. I also want to mention, when I place my tracks down, I put them at a curve so the next track can actually hide the other track when you're pulling it back, so your tracks won't be noticeable, if that makes sense. But I could continue the process of measuring my tracks, going side to side, combing it out, blow drying it. Not every track, but every other track in this process. So, yeah. So right now I'm showing you that I'm on my second pack. So I'm done with my first pack and I'm currently using my second pack. And I continue the process going from side to side all the way up to a certain point, which I will show you. So at this point, I'm showing you that I'm going like straight back, but I'm going to make a C shape. So as you watch, I'm going to measure it out, and I'm going to stop at midpoint. Not going all the way over to the other side. I'm going to stop at the midpoint. So I'm showing you how I'm going to do to close this quick weave. A small disclaimer with this video, I am not a professional. I'm just a woman who loves to do her own hair, DIY hairstyles. So I love watching YouTube, so I feel like I can bless you guys with a deep part quick weave, a DIY one. Thank you. As you continue to watch, you will notice how I continue to curve the tracks, making it like a C shape and stopping it at midpoint right there. Y'all have to bear with me, because at this point of doing my hair, I'm getting very like frustrated because I can't see. I'm trying to make sure I'm still in frame with the camera, but I'm still trying to show you guys the technique I use to close up my quick weave. Now it's time to do the leave out. I sprayed it with some heat protectant for the flat iron. I tried to use my hot comb. You will see where I'm trying to use my hot comb, but it wasn't working for me today. So I'm just combing. I'm frustrated, I can't see. So that's me using my hot comb, and then I don't realize it's not plugged up until like right now. So I'm really over it at this point. But I'm just steady, constantly combing, and now I realize it wasn't plugged up. So I plug up my flat irons to do my leave out. It's at 275 degrees for my own personal leave out. Now normally I will use a wax stick, but I couldn't find it for this video, so I will use the heat protection. Then I go back in with the wax stick, part my hair, and then flat iron and do like the chase comb method. And then here I am. I'm just aggravated at this point that my leave out is not laying down, but this is the best I can give you guys at the moment. Just combing them edges. Ooh, look at them edges, girl. Yes, sleek edges. Yeah. Oh my God. And you'll see me do like the chase comb method to try to blend in that leave out. Feeling it a little bit. I'm like, wait a minute, I gotta work with it. Yes. Okay. So this is the tutorial with me doing my deep side part quick weave. I love it. I love my hair. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.